Feel the love, guys. Feel the love. So I just wanted to show you guys the love at Grilled Burgers here in Cairns, Australia. I take it any grilled restaurant in Australia. This is an additional tomato sauce, right, for the potato chips, for the chips, and it's not even full. It's like
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of sauce, and it's $1.20. Are you guys feeling the love yet? Yeah, so we decided to have dinner in the mall here in Cairns. And as you can see, the mall is dead, just like every mall in Australia is after 5. But thankfully in the food court here, there's one remaining restaurant, and that is Grilled. Thank God for Grilled. So you won't starve in Cairns. And mind you, it's not even 8 p.m. Right? The good thing, however, is on Mondays, you get 1 burger free for every burger ordered. So that's why we're here, because we're on a tight budget, guys. So whilst we're waiting for our burgers to come, here's the menu. And of course, for us, the best part is here, plant-based, and here. But there are many choices for everyone. So guys, hey!
Hey.
From Grilled in Cairns.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So there you go, guys. 2 burgers and fries, $42. $42. Welcome to Australia. So that's vegan patty, Impossible Burger, vegan cheese, and all the vegetables, guys. Looks good, huh? There's also beetroot right there. Okay, go ahead, Kim. We haven't had grilled for a couple of years. What do you say?
Nice. I have duplicated the fries at home.
Yeah.
They take fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme and basil, and they coat the fries in that.
What about the burger?
The burger is very good. Good.
It tastes even better, guys, when it's half price. Yeah.
On Monday.
Mondays only.
How does it work?
Well, you've got to download the app. The Grilled app. Then you get 2 for 1. So instead of $42, the total price with the fries was $24. All right, that was a wipeout. Kim, what's your score on the Grilled Impossible Burger?
I would say 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, 9.
Yeah, me too. 9.
It was really good. It wasn't real messy like a lot of burgers are. It stayed together pretty much.
Yeah.
So I would give it a 9.
Okay, awesome.
And I think it's a really good deal on Monday night.
Okay. I feel so good. Is your tummy full, Kim?
Yeah. And thanks to you, Thomas. I'm working on my posture like Thomas. inspired me to work on my posture because I saw him working out at the hostel.
All right, guys, I've got to pay attention here. We don't want to fall. Yeah, as you can see, we do spoil ourselves a couple of times a week. Well, grilled burgers on Monday and Domino's pizza on Saturday night. And then Kim cooks the rest of the week in the hostel kitchen. Yeah. And it's all good. Oh, where's she gone now? Look at this. Everything's locked at 8 o'clock. Here is where you go and get the train and the bus for Corunda or Townsville. That's the Cairns railway station through that amusement park, which is it's all closed now because it's late. Come on, Kim. Let's go to back to the hostel. Oh, guys, it's been a great stay. Highly recommend Cairns in winter.
And we like minimalism
Yeah.
these days.
As you can see, there's no one around at 8 o'clock at night. Huh? We're in the heart of the city. This is like dead center. Like Burke Street or Swanson Street in Melbourne. Or Pitt Street, George Street in Sydney. Dead. 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 Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye now.